My surroundings. This plums. This is plums. And this is baby peach. They call it here Arwara. Village name. We have one tree of plum here. So it's ready now to eat now. As you can see, there are already red plums here. So we'll go down so we can focus all the fruits. And so we'll go down. Baba tayo. Before we go down there, then I will show you this dandelion, purple flowers. You see, very nice, no? Ayan, oh. Very nice flowers of dandelion. Yan, many flowers are coming, wild flowers. Now I'm here already down. Ito yung taas namin. And this is tree of apricot. Last year, too much fruits of apricots. But now no more here. Just only few. You see this one. But down, more fruits of apricots there. But here no more. Only napibilang yung ano, yung bunga niya. Not unlike last year, too much. Ayan, oh. Apricot green pa. Ayan. Oh. Yan, apricot. Oh, ayan. Konti lang ang bunga. And this is also baby peach. They call it here in village. Village name is Arwara or baby peach. It's like similar also yung commercial ano baby peach. So this tree of plums here. We have one tree of plum. Ayan. O, yun yung ano, mga bunga, oh. Oh. Ayan. Ang taas namin. Ayan, oh. Ready to eat na. Pwede na. Ayan, marami bunga, oh. But last year, mas marami last year yung ano bunga. But by this time, alhamdulillah, there is also. Ayan, oh. It's still not completely red, but some already red. And it's ready to eat now. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Oh. Ayan, plums. Our plums. Ayan, maraming bunga, oh. Oh. Doon sa taas, yun. Hmm. Yan. Hmm. Nung nag-hailstorm, yan, ito yung nangyari, oh. Nabutas-butas. Kasi yung mga yung hailstorm na nahuhulog ay ang lalaki. So parang bato yun, kaya ito yung nangyari, oh. Oh. Ayan, dami din pala bunga, oh. But if all red, then you can see all fruits. But marami pang green, oh. Kaya hindi mo makikita totally. May mga nahulog na, oh. Ano ng ibon. Ayan, oh. Oh, doon. Meron din dito. Yan. Yan dito marami, oh. Yan, oh. Dito. Ay, marami doon banda, oh. Ayun, marami din doon pala banda. Oh. Yan, oh. This is tree of plums and abundance. Fruits of plums. Some are green and already ready to eat. This red. As you can see. Yan, oh. Daming bunga. Yan, oh. Yan, meron din doon. Oh. Yan, oh. Yan, dito banda marami din bunga, oh. Oh. Ayan. Parang ang ano niya ay yung siniguelas ba? Yan. Kuha tayo yung maabot. Ayan. Bismillah. Yan. Kung baga malibanag. Ay. Oh. Yan. Oh. Ito naman ay yung puno ng walnuts. Marami na din bunga. Yan. So, akyat na tayo. Dito din, oh, may puno din dito na plums yan. Ang may-ari nito ay doon sa taas. Yun doon. Doon. Yan plums. Tingnan natin yung mga bunga. Kaya lang green pa. Ayan, oh. Oh. Ayan, green pa. Naakyat na ako. Yan, baby peach. Puno ng baby peach. Arwara. Yan, marami din bunga. Pero pa ito? July pa ito maano. Pwede kainin.